Database. Database is a collection of data. Collection of data is stored in a format that can easily access. Uh, and it is a software application that are used to manage the database, that is called software database management system. And next, sir. ये कितने टाइप का होता है? Database are basically two types: relational database and a non-relational database. In relational database, data are stored in a table, and non-relational database data cannot be stored in table. Relational database are four types: MySQL, SQL Server, and Oracle, and एक Monster. Uh, क्या Monster and non-relational database means NoSQL. And next, sir. बताइए आप एसक्यूएल क्या होता है? SQL is a structured query language. It is used to store data, retrieve and manipulate of data. And sir, it's work on card operations. C for create, U for update, and D for delete, and CURD. और एसक्यूएल का कितने टाइप का होता है? Sir, basically SQL, basically there are four types of SQL command. First of all, DDL command. Second, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. सबका काम क्या होता है? DQL क्या होता है? ना, DCL क्या होता है? अच्छा, आप बताइए, what is DML? DML. So basically DML stands for data manipulation language. It is used to modify data in a table. It in a inside of table, and it occurs on operation insert, delete, and एक और क्या है सर? Update. Insert, delete, and update. Inserts mean insert of data from table, and select means update. Update मतलब modify existing data, and delete data that is exist in table. ये DCL क्या होता है? So basically DCL stands for data control language. It is used to fetch data. It is used to fetch data. What is TCL? TCL. So basically TCL stands for transfer control language, in which it is used to control of transaction and transaction is a set of SQL operation in which work in which work together, and transferring examples are transferring money from one data to another data, one account to another account. And what is transaction? The transaction is a set of SQL operation, and SQL operation के next क्या है? That are executed in single unit. And sir, example, transferring money from one account to another account. And so, what is TCL? What is TCL command? What is TCL command? So TCL command is used to uh, TCL means transfer control language. It is used to control of transferring. It is used to manage of transaction. Main TCL commands. Main TCL commands name. The main TCL commands names are commit. First commit, and second release, reverse point. इस तरह कुछ होगा सर. Take point roll. Roll back, sir. Roll back commit. Sir. Table is a structure that store data in row and column. And row contain record, and column contain attribute.
What key is a memory key? Primary key.
Primary. So primary key is a unique identifier. Each primary key is a unique identifier. Each 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 row record present, and primary key cannot contain null value and duplicate value. Primary key
What
is
is
a
foreign key?
foreign key. Foreign, it is used to create a relation. It is used to create a relationship between two tables, and it connect for foreign. It connect primary key from another table.
Oh, okay. What is order? Order.
So basically, order by means manually data are manually uh, accessed in order, ascending order and descending order. That is ordered by.
What is having cause?
Sir, having cows means filtering of data. Before filtering of data, uh, before aggregation, after aggregation, after aggregation.
Depends between where and every.
So where cows means where cows means filtering data before
Okay.
grouping, and having cows filtering data after aggregation.
What is join in a story?
So join. What is join? So join means basically joins means it joins row from two or more tables, and bas, join join are used to connect row. Join are used to combine row from two or multiple columns. Uh, based on
Related.
based on related columns, it is it is used to retrieve data easily from multiple tables. It is used to retrieve data from multiple tables.
अभी अपना 80 की शॉर्ट करना बता देता अच्छा